Hi, I'm Netter, and this is Netter's Network. And today we're going to talk about fitted sheets. Now, if you're like me, you can't fold a fitted sheet to save your life. And believe me, I've tried. This is the best I've been able to do. Yeah, that's a mess. So I decided to turn to the internet and see once and for all, how do you fold a fitted sheet? So first thing that came up was this one that's supposed to be easy way to fold fitted sheets. It's actually from HGTV. So I'm going to follow her tutorial and I'm going to see if I can fold a fitted sheet the way she's describing. Before we get started, I'd like to show you a quick, easy tip on how to put your fitted sheets on correctly, frustration-free, every single time. I actually got this idea from one of those clickbait sites, things hotels don't want you to know. And most of them were pretty gross, but then there were some helpful things that the staff does to make their jobs a little bit easier. One of the things they talked about was fitted sheets and the placement of the tag on your sheets. As long as you put that tag in the bottom right corner of your bed, you're always going to have your sheets put on correctly every single time. Let's get started folding that fitted sheet. The video that I chose has written instructions underneath if you wish to follow that way. I tried to follow the written instructions, but I got lost, so I had to watch the video to find out what they were talking about. Let's get started. The first thing she says is to turn your sheet inside out. Since I'm dealing with a large queen sheet, I've already done that. The next thing she says to do is to hold your sheet on the long end. So here's my tag, so I know this is my bottom right hand corner. So if I follow up, this is my long end. The next thing she is showing is to take your right hand and put it over your left. So far so good. Let's look at the rest. So now you're going to take your right hand and you're going to put it where your left hand was. And then you're to straighten down the side of the sheet. I've already run into a problem. In her video, this end should be a pocket. My pocket is further up. I'm going to try and make this work. Let's keep going. And again, she has us taking our right hand and putting it over our left hand. Straightening up the top and straightening the sides. Now with hers, the pocket is here, but this part across the top is the straight edge, not the elastic part. So I think because I have such a large sheet, that's why it's not working out. But we're going to make it work. I'm laying this down to make it a little bit easier. So in the video, she's making this into a rectangle. Kind of looks like that. Okay, not horrible, but not as pretty as hers. Let's continue. Then she folds it down like this. She folds this part up. Then she folds this in, and she folds this in. So here you have it, a folded, fitted sheet. Now it's not as pretty as the one in the video, but it is folded, and far better than anything I've ever done before. So maybe there's something to this. Please leave a comment below on what you thought of this video and others you'd like to see in the future. And while you're at it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a really great day. Bye.